Welcome to Modern Retrogramming. This is episode 3, The Power of Plasma Modules. Plasma programs and libraries are implemented with modules, dynamically linked object files. The structure of Plasma's modules came from the relocatable file format introduced by Apple's assembly language package for ProDOS. The ProDOS Workbench had a few simple tools for working with REL files, but never really exploited it. Plasma expands upon that file format in a backwards compatible fashion because Plasma was always going to rely on EDASM for building native 65.0 routines when developing on the metal. The cross compiler has long had the ability to write functions definitions directly in assembly. Now let's look at what Plasma provides for the standard system libraries. You can see that there's quite a few here for different access to files, the console, internet networking, what have you. But let's see how we would go write our own modules that we can bring into our programs. So let's start with that Hello World program again. But let's bring it in and change it so that we're actually exporting the function definition with no parameters and no return values. Very simple. And we're simply going to just have it print out Hello World. Let's save that as a hello lib file, for instance. Let's get a new file, and we'll make one called greet, for instance. And we're going to first include our standard command sys header file, but we're also going to add an import statement to bring in our new hello lib module. And we're going to show that we're predefining the hello function, and that's a very simple import. And in our program, we're just going to call the hello function and just add our own little line afterwards. Very simple to just say, hello, how are you? And we'll call this done. Let's save it. And we're simply going to now compile our two modules. The first one is the library module. And then once that compiles, we will compile the greet program. And then we will simply run the greet program, and it will automatically bring in the hello lib library module so that we can call the function that's inside of it. And there we have it. Now I noticed I've been doing a lot of stuff with the editor in these screencasts. I thought, well, I don't really have any documentation for the editor out there, so I put together a little document program that you can pull in to the editor, and it will show you all the commands that the editor has. It's also on the GitHub website under the docs directory as just a markdown file. It's actually the exact same file. Markdown does a nice job of it. This just gives you the editor commands available for source code editing. It's not a very powerful editor. It's very simple, but it's enough to play around and edit your Plasma code. All right, well, thanks for watching. Go check out the documentation on GitHub. Thanks.